Prefer direct bank transfers for your Fiverr earnings? In this video, I'll walk you through the process of securely linking your bank account for withdrawals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Linking your bank account allows for direct deposits, which can be a reliable way to receive larger sums of money. The process may vary depending on your country. Generally, you go to your earnings page and click Withdraw. Select Bank Transfer as your method. You'll be guided to a secure form where you'll need to enter your bank's details. This typically includes your bank's name, your account number, the routing number in the US, and the SWIFT/BIC code for international transfers. Double-check all the numbers for accuracy. Fiverr may make a small verification deposit to confirm account ownership, which you'll need to verify in your settings. A crucial pro tip: for international sellers, direct bank transfers can involve intermediary bank fees that are deducted from your withdrawal amount. Compare the total cost with other methods like PayPal or the Fiverr revenue card to see which is most cost-effective for you. And just like that, you've set up a direct pipeline from Fiverr to your bank account. Linking your bank is a key step for streamlined financial management. Have you encountered any fees with direct bank transfers? How did you handle them? Share your experience below. To understand fund security, subscribe for our next video on how to use Fiverr reserve funds. Thanks for watching.